So the trick is to speak the words, literally the exact words, to your partner that you actually want them to speak to you. So, for example, if you want your partner to receive you well and to validate you or to be kind to you or to express words of appreciation, then you express those words. For example, I just said to my partner, "Thanks for being so kind to me," or "Thanks for being so kind." Um, Other examples could be, "Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for appreciating me. Thank you for being so friendly. Um, I love and appreciate all of the things that you do for me and our relationship or our life together." And you can give examples, for example, for cutting the grass, for washing the dishes, tidying the house, for taking care of certain responsibilities, for researching this, for being resourceful about that, for ringing this phone, for taking care of these bills, for paying for this, for buying the fruits and the vegetables, for making this, for preparing that, for putting the kids to sleep, for arranging or organizing a holiday or healing or a day out or a date. Thank you for doing this. Appreciate that. Thank you for listening to me. Thanks for being in a good mood even when I was in a bad mood. Thanks for helping to uplift me when I was feeling down. So a lot of it really is about gratitude and appreciation and acknowledgement. Another thing you could say is, "I'm sorry," because a lot of the time people don't say sorry. They haven't simply learned it. Everybody, it's not that they're bad people or anything. It's just we only can give what we know or what we have to give. You can't expect more from somebody than is realistic. And what's realistic is if they have it to give or if they know it to give, or both. So here's some other examples I really like. I'm sorry. Um, I'm sorry for hurting your feelings. I'm sorry for being reckless. Additionally, I'll do my best to not do this again. I'm really going to make a big effort not to behave or to be like this ever again in the future. I really want to change and make good effort and a very strong improvement in my life in this area. Again, next one. So saying sorry, saying you won't do it again or you try not to do it again, you do your best. The third one, the next step is, how can I make it up to you? For this, like, so powerful, everybody, truly is. This is the next one. How can I make it up to you? Because after it's been hurt, what you want to say is express remorse and even empathize. "I'm sorry, I understand this hurt you in this way, made you feel a certain way." Validate, "I understand, that makes sense how you felt." You could even say, "I would feel the same way." That's validation to make someone's feelings okay, like understandable, instead of to make someone's feelings wrong, which most people make the biggest error in relationships, to make someone wrong and not to validate. So then you want to like make it sweet again, make up. How can I make it up to you? How can I make things sweet and beautiful for us again? How can I make it up for you? So you do something to be really nice. So it's not just words, but then you do something, and you can even add in words, and then do beautiful things to somebody to make it up for any hurt that was either deliberate or accidental. So these are all beautiful, sweet ways to make up and to heal and to teach and train our partner in a very sweet and graceful, beautiful way. It's not a manipulating way, it's a good-hearted energy way to improve our relationship together. And this not only applies to a romantic relationship, but anyone close to you or even anyone at all in your life. Because truly, it even applies to strangers. We're all teachers and students of each other, and we teach through example. And what treat people first how you would like to be treated. So that's exactly what I'm talking about in this video. You treat others how you would like to be treated, and you treat them that way first. You don't wait around for other people to do it first. Be the leader, be the example, and be the role model, and be a humble, graceful teacher, and be a humble, graceful, gracious learner also. So that's the tip of the day, everybody. This is like life-changing, so I really hope it helps you in your life. I really hope this provided value to you in your life and loved ones, not just you, but your partner or loved ones too, other people. And I'm grateful for you listening and learning and watching and just taking note and practicing this in your life. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you again in another video. So take care and have a beautiful day. My name is Owen from Ireland and the world. See you again.